Hello everyone, a hearty welcome to all my foodie friends on It's Foodholic. I'm Meghna.
And Debraj are on the third episode of this show. And today we are at Lindsay Street of Central Kolkata, presenting you the famous exotic mouth-watering dish, the Kathi rolls.
A Kathi roll is a street food dish originating from the hub of Kolkata. In its original form, it is a skewer roasted kebab wrapped in a paratha bread, although over the years many variants have evolved, all of which now go under the generic name of Kathi roll. Today all over India you will find rolls of many types, of many stuffings like egg, chicken, lamb, potatoes or even paneer, which is the cottage cheese, wrapped in roti, parathas or even bread. This is the New Market area standing on central Calcutta's Lindsay Street, which was born out of an English whim. The earliest urban homes of the Englishmen appeared in an area which today is the pulsating core of Calcutta's officialdom, the Dalhousie Square. In 1871, swayed by an orchestrated cry from English residents, the Calcutta Corporation purchased the Lindsay Street, commissioned Richard R. Bain, an architect, to design the Victorian Gothic market complex. Sir Stuart Hogg, then the chairman of Calcutta Corporation, had shown tenacious support for the plans to build up the new market. The giant shopping arcade was thrown open to the English populace with some fanfare on 1st January 1874. Despite the appearance of new American-style shopping malls all over Kolkata, New Market remains at the core of the shopping experience in the city. Over 2,000 stalls under its roof sell everything from clothing to electronics to a special kind of cheese found nowhere else.
Oh hello guys, I'm Debraj, your foodie friend. Today the place where I am sitting is one of the most famous and historical places of Kolkata. It's none other than the Nizam. It is the very place from where the Kathi roll got its origin in 1932 and spreaded in every corner of India. At present, the actual owners are not there. That's why the Nizams was put to an disclosure for a couple of times. But we all know, don't replicate the inventors of Kathi roll. So guys, despite of all this, Nizam is still as popular as it was in the past. But guys, the story of its origin starts in the past years. It was initiated by Sheikh Hassan Reza in 1900. He started his business of making kathi kebabs and parathas from a very small stall. But then after a few years, in 1932, he shifted his small setup to a bigger place in front of Kolkata Municipal Corporation, where the present Nizam lies. But guys, the invention of Kathi rolls is very interesting. It was the British era, and just because the Englishmen didn't like the oil greasing their hand, so Reza stuck upon a novel idea of wrapping up the Kathi kebab and parathas into a fine piece of paper. And that's how the roll came to existence and the roll culture started. Nizam's was named after Reza's son Sheikh Nizamuddin. Let me introduce you with the present manager of Nizam, Mr. Dipendu Roy. So it's a pleasure to meet with you. তো নিজাম এত বড় একটা রেস্টুরেন্ট, তার একটা পার্ট এখন আপনি প্রেজেন্ট ম্যানেজার। তো হাউ ডাজ ইট ফিল, কেমন মনে হয়?
ভালোই মনে হচ্ছে, নিজেকে বেশ প্রাউড মনে হচ্ছে। এখন নিউ মার্কেটের মধ্যে আমার একদম মেইন পজিশনের মধ্যে সব লোকরা দেখছে, আসছে, খাচ্ছে।
আচ্ছা, এইবার একটা একদম বিশাল পুরনো একটা রেস্টুরেন্ট, এদের মিস্টার রেজা যেরকম কোয়ালিটি অফ ফুডটা ডেলিভার করতো আপনারাও সেরকমই ডেলিভার করছেন, তো কতটা আপনার কাছে কতটা চ্যালেঞ্জিং হয় জিনিসটা?
তখনকার টাইমে একটা আলাদা ছিল, এখনকার টাইমে পুরো একদমই আলাদা। এখনকার সিচুয়েশন অনুযায়ী বুঝে, মার্কেট কম্পিটিশন বুঝে খাবারের টেস্টটা পুরো অন্যরকম
এতগুলো রোলের দোকান হয়েছে, তাও মানুষ নিজামেই আসছে। তো এখানে অনেক রোল পাওয়া যায় শুনেছি, তো কত রকমের রোল পাওয়া যায়?
এখানে 32 খানা রোলস পাওয়া যাচ্ছে।
আচ্ছা,
32 পিসেস রোলস। তারপরে এখানের মধ্যে সবচেয়ে বড় ফেমাস কি আমাদের নিজামের মধ্যে এখানে রোলই হয়েছে, আমাদের নিজামই হচ্ছে ইনভেন্টার অফ দ্য রোলে। এটার মধ্যে কোনো সস দেওয়া যায় না, টোটালি এটা ডিফারেন্ট টাইপস অফ রোল হচ্ছে। মানে কেউ এটা জানতেও পারছে না যে আমরা কত রকম মশলা দেওয়া হচ্ছে এটার মধ্যে। উইদাউট সস, উইদাউট চিলি সস, টমেটো সস ছাড়াই রোলটা
টোটালি আপনাদের সিক্রেট মানে রেসিপি আপনি কারোর সাথে আপনাদের একটা
আমাদের রেসিপি টোটালি আলাদা,
পুরো সিক্রেট রেসিপি। আর এই যে 32 রকমের রোল, 32 টাইপস, এটা কি আগে থেকেই চলে আসছে নাকি এটা?
না, তখন যিনি ছিল তখন এটা অন্য টাইপের ছিল, উনি তখন একটা রোল দিয়ে আরম্ভ করেছিল, তারপরে আস্তে আস্তে আমরা এসে আরও রোলটাকে আরও ইনভেনশন করে ইনভেন্টার করে করেছি।
তো আজকে তো আমি এসেছি, তো আমি তো কিছু খাবো,
হ্যাঁ।
তো আপনি যদি আমাকে কিছু বলেন।
আমাদের এখানে দেখুন লাচ্চা পরাটা রোলও আছে, ডাবল আন্ডার ডাবল মাটন রোলও আছে, ট্রিপল মাটন রোলও আছে। আপনি যখন এসেছেন আমি বলবো আমাদের এখানে বিরিয়ানি ফিরিয়ানি সবই আছে, আপনি কিন্তু রোলটা খেয়ে যেতে পারেন।
Obviously. যাই হোক, it was a very honored to talk with you. Thank you so much, sir. It was a very honor. So my kathi rolls has been served and it's smelling exotic. Can't just wait to dig in. It's yum. So just look at the parathas. Only at Nizam's you would get such thick parathas, you know, that parathas are so soft and they are so flaky from outside, and the chicken inside has a smoky and juicy flavor, you know. I'm having this chicken and mutton kathi kebab roll, but you guys don't just watch me. Until and unless I finish my roll, you guys go and have a quick look how they make it.
Traditionally, a kathi roll is a kathi kebab wrapped in a layered paratha bread. Paratha, what is that? It is a dough that is kneaded into a roll, then coiled into a round patty. It is then flattened with a rolling pin and partially fried in oil on a tawa or a griddle. If an egg is to be added, it is usually cracked into the tawa and the paratha is put on the top of the egg so that they both get cooked together. Traditionally, Nizams used iron skewers to make their kebabs. They were easy to maintain and lasted a lifetime. However, as Nizam's popularity grew, these heavy iron skewers became problematic, which is why the Nizams moved to bamboo skewers that were lightweight and handy. Kathi kebabs are basically chicken or mutton chunks marinated in spices and cooked on skewers over coals in a sigri. When the roll is being prepared, These are taken off the skewers and tossed with caramelized onion, green chilies on the tawa. A dash of vinegar, a squeeze of lime, or sometimes even a pinch of chaat masala is added before being laid in a thin strip on the center of the paratha. Nizams enjoyed a virtual monopoly over this method of serving kebabs for decades, but it eventually became a commonplace in Kolkata and today the kathi roll comes in a large number of varieties. As you can see, innovations tend to be in two areas, the fillings and the wrap. As you have seen in Nizams, we can grab 32 types of flavorful rolls, all unique and mouth-watering.
Oh, lovely. I hope you have melted in the flavors of our kathi rolls. I feel the same. It was a great pleasure to have their kathi rolls, traditional kathi rolls of Nizams. This puja season, you have to come to Nizams to taste their mind-blasting rolls. Guys, I will make a move, but you guys, don't forget to subscribe my channel. Bye.
Thank you so much guys for watching this episode. If you like it, please give it a big thumbs up and don't forget to share it to your friends and families. If you want to watch all our episodes, do check the description box. The links are given there. So this is Meghna.
And this is Debraj. We are signing off for now. We will see you in our next episode.
Bye.